Radioman is centered with Eric. That's his life. It's born out of an experience of an individual, but great theater is often born out of the experience of an individual, but it translates to many because of the power of the story that exists in all of us. Eric's experience in Vietnam ripples throughout all veterans of all time. And the act of coming home and being able simply to live again after being through that experience is one that you can look at over millennia in terms of how soldiers come home from war and how they fit into society or not, and how they find that redemption or that salvation or that ability to find themselves again. That's this story. That's the story of this play. It's also the story of Eric, and it's the story of millions.